Hi, and welcome to BreakoutEDU. This is the instructional video for the game Help Mr. Alien Get Back Home, created by Alexis Lilly. This game is geared towards second grade students learning about science. Mr. Alien has recently landed on planet Earth, and he has lost his keys to his ship during his exploration. Now he needs your help solving the lock so he can get his key back and get back on his ship to fly home. It's your job to help Mr. Alien find his keys so he can get back home safe and sound and share his findings of Earth to his alien friends. He's only got 45 minutes left on Earth before he has to get back home. Can you help him solve the locks in order to find his key in time to fly back home? For materials and setup, you should be dividing your students into groups of 2 or 4 depending on how many students you have in your classroom, as well as how many devices you have access to. Students will have to have access to the internet on these devices. Have the students go to the provided link in order to play the game. For the different locks this game uses, it uses a 3-digit lock, a 4-digit lock, a directional multi-lock, and ABC multi-lock as well. The code for the 3-digit lock is 992. The code for the 4-digit lock is 0324. And the code for the directional multi-lock is up, down, down, left, right. And the code for the ABC multi-lock is JDROA. Students will work in groups of 2 to 4 in order to solve the puzzles of the game. Each section of the game will have answer validations as well as different hints in order to help the students solve the problem. In order to move forward in the game, the students must answer the puzzles in order correctly. As a teacher, you should start a timer for 45 minutes on the board so the students know how much time they have in order to finish their game.